Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find Mexc wallet address. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your Mexc exchange account. Once you have logged into your Mexc account, you need to click on profile icon at the top left corner, and from here at the top you can see your UID number. Tap copy to copy your UID, and this UID number is used for internal transfer, which is from one Mexc account to another Mexc account, and it doesn't require any fees.
And the second method is the deposit address method. In order to do that, you have to click on wallets at the bottom right corner. After that, you need to click on this deposit button. Now click on on-chain deposit. In the search bar, you need to search for any currencies, but in this video I will be demonstrate on USDT. Select USDT in the search bar and select it. You can choose any network, but the network which offer you a minimal and almost 0% fee is Aptos chain. So simply select Aptos, and here you can see USDT Aptos chain wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find Mexc wallet address. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.